Joined the Marine Corps in 1973, the end of the Vietnam War. I went on to an Amtrak project in 2003. 4 years ago, I was injured. We had this, I'm going to approximate a 40-ton crane barrel right into us, hit the truck. I was thrown off the truck down onto the tracks. The crane pushed 3 40-foot flatbed trucks back 50 to 60 feet with me underneath it, dragging me 40, 50, 60 feet down the tracks. The next thing I came to, and I heard a lot of commotion, people screaming, yelling. I started out screaming up for help, and I'm thinking, wow, they're not going to hear me. There was so much commotion going on. Finally, somebody heard and looked down onto the tracks, saw me down there, and jumped down and helped me out. My foot was underneath the wheel of the crane and the rail. So I couldn't pull my foot out. It was just crushed. The firemen came under the crane to help get me out. They realized that I was so jammed up underneath this thing. I had a total deglovering injury from my left knee to my left ankle. The skin was ripped right off. I was down to just muscle, tendon, and arteries. It looked like an anatomy class. My right foot was crushed so badly, half of it had to be amputated. My wife found Ira through an internet search, looking for railroad litigators, and then she was contacted the next day by Ira. He went way above and beyond being just an attorney. His aggressiveness throughout the whole thing was really something that I was impressed with, because he stayed on top of everyone. Ira was able to use his technology also with video recordings right off the laptop to help pull the truth out of witnesses right on the fly. After 30 or 40 depositions that I attended with Ira, I have to say that he definitely outboxed the competition.
When you've suffered a serious personal injury, your life is literally turned upside down. You don't know what's happening next. You need to find a law firm that's going to be a stabilizing force in your life for you and your family.
The first thing I'd like to say to Ira is that there's no way I could say that I think the phrase "thank you" is enough. I can't find it. That's just not enough for what he did for our family throughout this whole process. This is more of a relationship now. It's more of a friendship. I was able to trust my life and my family's life with Ira to be able to walk on into the future.
Let the Maurer Law Firm make a difference in your life when you need it the most. The Maurer Law Firm, it's personal.
Give him a call. He's definitely the guy that you want to fight for your rights. Thank you, Ira.